Yeah, so I'm Dan Probert, owner of Lightning Bolt Cattle Company and Probert Family Ranches. I think the best way to think about regenerative is the idea that we've talked about sustainability for years, but regenerative really takes it a step further and says maybe we can make things better than they were. So the idea of regenerative is to make incremental upward changes. And that's what we try and do here. So again, we picked learning sites, right? We picked places where we wanted to say, we're managing in this way, in this place, and we can measure what we're doing. I had a place on the ranch where one side had historically been farmed and one side had not. We put a fixed point site on both sides, right? So now we will implement our grazing program, which is high density, short duration, and we'll be able to measure the difference in those two places. Right? We looked at the soil. The soil in the farmed part has lost structure, right? It was plowed at one time, where the native still has a lot of structure. And so our intention is, through our grazing program, is to rebuild the health of those farm soils. Crop rotation and grazing plans that are associated with that ground. And so we're being mindful of the environmental story all the way from the birth of the calf all the way till when that animal leaves the finishing facility.